Electrical clearance is the shortest distance measured along the air between two adjacent conductors, or between a conductor and an adjacent electrical housing surface. The distance can be determined according to the measured working voltage and insulation level. But usually first, the primary side AC part, before the fuse Ln is greater than or equal to 5 mm, and Ln earth is greater than or equal to 5 mm. After the fuse, do not make any requirements, but try to keep a certain distance from short circuit to avoid short circuit damage to the power supply. Second, the primary side AC part is greater than or equal to 0 mm. Third, the primary side DC ground to earth is greater than or equal to 5 mm primary side floating ground to earth. Fourth, the primary side part to the secondary side part is greater than or equal to 0 mm, and the components are connected between the primary and secondary sides. Fifth, the electrical gap of the secondary side part is greater than or equal to 0.5 mm. Sixth, the ground to the ground of the secondary side is greater than or equal to 10 mm. Note, before deciding whether to meet the requirements, the internal parts should be applied to 10 and 4. The shell applied to 30 N, in order to reduce the distance, so as to confirm the worst case. The space distance is still in line with the regulations. XZH Technology Co. Ltd. is a one-stop PCBA service provider. Subscribe to me. Take you to know more about PCBA knowledge.